Today we're going to be talking about sleep. Now this is something none of us get enough of. And if we had to pay for it, we'd appreciate it much more. First of all, you want to have long enough to sleep. So you need to give yourself a non-negotiable at least 7 to 9 hours to sleep every day. That means within that, at least if you're getting 7 hours or 8 hours, that's enough. There's also something called the circadian rhythms. I'm sure you might have read about that, which is every body has its own rhythms. And the important thing to give the body the stability that it needs so that it can give the mind the rest that it needs is, it's just like a child. Make sure that you go to bed at the same time and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. I found that after doing a retreat in Sardinia, I moved my rhythm so that I'm actually in tune with the earth much more. I prefer to get up early in the morning and to go to sleep around 9 or 10 at night so I can get up early. That makes me feel better. When I used to be a night owl, I don't know what you have. But sleep is important. And why can't we sleep? Why is it that 4 o'clock in the morning we're wide awake with our mind going, and it's the darkest of thoughts, right? If you could break open anyone's mind at 4 o'clock in the morning, oh my goodness, you could imagine. And by the way, everyone thinks the same thing. It tortures everyone with the same thing. It doesn't matter. Why does this happen? It's because when the body relaxes, and you might start going deeper into yourself, your mind does not like that. And it starts pulling you up into it with all sorts of demands or questions that you can never answer, and you'll find that you'll be spinning around in your mind, and as long as you're spinning around, you can't go to sleep. So what can you do if you can't sleep? Well, if you can try, and you realize it's not going to happen, there's 2 things. You can, first of all, you can stand and you can sit up, and what I do is I take the duvet and I pull the duvet around me, and I pull myself back so I'm resting against the board of the bed. And I do that meditation, which I did yesterday, where I'll normally be for about 30 minutes or so. And I'll be keeping on taking a breath, and I'll just focus and just relax downward. It normally takes me, in the middle of the night, if I do this, about 30 minutes before I suddenly feel a shift. And I can feel myself. It's a physical thing. It's like a sandbag dropping from my head, which is where I was, down into my feet. Even if you do this for 5 minutes, make sure that you're warm and that you're comfortable. And you just sit there for 5 minutes or 10 minutes if you can. You can even set your alarm on your phone. That's what I do, very softly, so I don't have to keep opening my eyes and peering, and not waking your partner. If you can do that, you'll find that when you lie back down again, it will have enough to shift you out of your mind, and you'll be able to relax and go into a deeper sleep, which is very important. Another thing that might happen is, let me show you. You might have something called restless leg syndrome. So that also happens to me. Also, I can, sometimes the body, it just feels like it wants to do things. Well, you know what? Then get up, and off goes the scarf again, and shake it off. So oftentimes with restless leg syndrome, what I'll do is I will shake my legs. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. In the front and the back. And I have this image of whatever it was in my head. I'm shaking it off my legs, okay? And then the other one, shake, 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 shake. When I'm shaking, I'm trying to be as relaxed as possible, okay? My feet, everything is relaxed. The movement's coming from my hips, okay? You can do the same thing here. You can do shake, 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 shake. This is a bit more stronger than that shaking meditation that I had, because I'm wanting to shake things off, and I'm shaking especially the wrists. You want to do that. Shake and shake also this, okay? Shake all the joints. Shake that, no matter what you want to do. Try to think of your body as like a gummy bear, right? It's all gummy, okay? You can also make some noise. And then relax. And then you can go, and if you lie back down, this will help you go to sleep. It will be a shift than not knowing what to do and turning around and turning around and turning around. And by the way, all of these exercises, I'm 61 years old. So it works. I'm more flexible now in my body than I was in my 20s.